strawberries.
From where?
Daddy.
Just one? Oh, hey, Obi. One thing I've learned about life is that don't get mad over spoiled fruit. You just provided some other animal with nutrients and minerals that they needed to live. They also didn't pick up this one, so I'm gonna get that one. And I got that one. And I got that one. It's the most strawberries I've ever picked, Talia. I have 5 strawberries. I swear there isn't a better feeling than being able to provide fresh fruit.
This one.
Are you happy you got strawberries now from the garden?
Take this one.
This one. Good, let's do it. Cheers. Do it.
Take.
Ding. Now eat it. Eat it.
Okay.
No green part. Yeah, the red part. Mmm. That is such a flavorful strawberry. Like 10 out of 10. How was it, Dahlia? It's good? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. You know we gotta have a strawberry water bottle, okay? Save one for Mama. That's for Mama.